ilipat sa kabila at may darating pang isang tribo sa kabilang barangay. Appreciative inquiry ng Survivor Community-led Response to Crisis Approach, SLR, through the support of EcoWeb at ng NAPSI Executive Director Annette Antiquisa, kasama si SR Judith ng IT at si Sir Paul Pianza ng Council Member ng NAPSI IT at si Miss Annabel, Council Member Annabel Flores ng IT rin ay natin to.